We are going to make meetings more productive and smarter than ever before. Up to now, preparing for a meeting was very challenging and time-consuming. I hated printing all those documents at the last minute and having to connect up all the equipment. Oh, the conference has started, but we are still preparing for it. It takes time to set up the video conference. Do you think the person in the remote location can see us yet? Finally, we have completed the setup and are ready to start the meeting. But the desk is already looking disorganized with all the documents. Some members seem even lost and aren't following the discussion. Sharing the information after this meeting will be great. Everyone is so tired, they've even started to fall asleep. The person in the remote location seems to have been disconnected. Surely we can run a meeting more easily. At the next meeting... What's this? Everyone's arriving with only a coffee. With Ricoh Interactive Whiteboard Add-on service for Office 365, there's no need to bring documents. He simply scans his IC card when entering the room and directly accesses the files from his own Outlook scheduler or SharePoint. Everyone's focus is on the screen. They can easily share their ideas. The person who's connecting from a remote location can join via Teams. The screen is shared so he can join the discussion as though he were there. Everything is done on the screen, so even a laptop isn't required. We can annotate the documents. By sharing ideas, everyone can understand each other and solve problems easily and efficiently. With one click, we can send the meeting notes to all attendees. Information is shared immediately, so you can review it right after the meeting or access it later when you want to review important points and actions. I didn't know we could make meetings so productive. This is working smarter. Everything is improved with Ricoh Interactive Whiteboard Add-on service for Office 365. Let's make meetings more efficient and collaborative from now on.